How to get Roblox voice on Roblox mobile. No, there are some requirements that you need to follow first before using this voice chat feature. Now, the first requirement is you need to have those documents or um, your birthday needs to be above 18. So if you go ahead to Roblox application right here, as you notice, if you go to more, the three dots right here, and then we head to settings and then account information. Now, I haven't verified my age yet, so that is why it's not showing on my end. You can also find it on the privacy settings. Now there will be a field that is saying chat menu or chat options right here if you already verified your age. Now if we go to Roblox support, it is saying here to enable voice chat, my bad, eligible is 13 plus users. So you must first verify your phone number or either an ID verified to see the voice chat option on your privacy settings page, which is gonna be here. So again, you need to follow those requirements first for you to enable or to turn on voice chat. It is usually located below this camera input right here if you already verified your age. So again, those are the steps on how you can on your voice chat on Roblox mobile.